This 2024 Riverside RV Xplorer 135FDX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89122 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Riverside RV is 15 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features U-Shaped Dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.